comma, there are 4 reasons. There are 4 reasons. 4 or 5 reasons. 4 reasons, I think. 4 reasons. First one is national aggression. National aggregation. Second one is what do you call that? Business. Imperialism. Third one secret alliance. Fourth one is volcanic militarism. Right, militarism. Okay, militarism. Fifth one is volcanic political issue. I will tell it. Okay. First one, write down. In France, fascism. In France, fascism has been developed under the leadership of Mussolini. Under the leadership of Mussolini. In Germany, under the leadership of Hitler, there was a steep growing nationalism. Nationalism means the people of country shows too much fringiness, fringiness about their countries. Don't talk about their countries. Next, second reason, imperialism. Doing business in other countries is called imperialism. Doing business in another countries is called imperialism. Doing business in another countries is called imperialism. Thereby happens, thereby happens competition about their countries, particularly British and French, by occupying colonial countries, to their business. Which makes those two countries financially strong. in financially strong. The remaining, the colonial countries are exploited by exploited by looting minerals by looting minerals and gold, so or etc. Gold and etc. Okay na? Next one, importance of militarism. Because
secret alliance.
Secret alliance. Next, third one is secret alliance. Hitler, under the leadership of Hitler, triple entity is formed. Having countries of Austria, Italy, Hungary, triple entity, that is entity, and other alliance is triple alliance by European countries. Which makes lot of rivalries, small wars among the countries, not between, among the countries. Next one is, what is that? Militarism. For occupying right, for occupation of more than 50 colonial countries. 15 colonial countries by French, Dutch, British, small conflicts are becoming big rivalries among those countries. So that is why they acquired lot of military arsenal. They acquired lot of military arsenal. Arsenal means arms factories are those arms arsenal, and they spent how much? How many millions there is in the map? 397 map is there in front of Sanju. 397, tell me. 397
million.
$397 million spent on arms. On arms, right? On arms. 397 million arms spent. That is the fourth reason. Next one, fifth one is, tell me, Sanju. Balkan politics, write down. Balkan politics. Balkan countries are right. Balkan countries are right. Small countries and islands which are surrounded by Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. Through which a lot of ships are going for doing business. That is why British, French and Dutch wanted to occupy those islands for doing for spreading their imperialism, to another countries. Next. What is this? Second World War, First World War? First World War or Second World War? This is. What is the immediate reason of Second World War? Write down. Listen. What is the immediate reason for the Second World War? What is the reason of Second World War? What is the reason of Second World War? What is the reason of Second World War? Duke Francis Ferdinand was assassinated on a Tanga in Serbian country, along with his wife. So Austria gave a notice to the Serbia. June 28, 1914. The issue was not reconciliated. The Raji Balavari. The issue was not reconciliated. 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 Raji Balavari. The issue was not reconciliated between those countries. Between those countries. The Second World War started July 28, 1939, September 1st. That is First World War. I have written First World War. Not this. Started war. So don't write year. 1939. That is Second World War. First World War. What is the reason for the First World War?
1939.
Second World War, that is. First World War 1914. June 28 to 1914 and June 28 after 1 month. 28 to 1914. In that war, one side Alliance powers, Britain or France, right? Alliance powers, Britain or France, Russia, Italy. Britain, France, Russia, Italy. Okay, Britain, France, Russia. Uruguay. Britain, France, Russia. Don't write Italy. Next. Russia was Russia dropped 1917. The First World War. 1917 the First World War. 1917 Russia dropped from the First World War. After that USA entered in 97. Right down. After that USA entered 1917. 1917 entered. USSR dropped, Russia dropped, USA entered 1970. Those two blocks are Alliance powers and Axis powers. Alliance powers and Axis powers. Axis powers. Axis powers. AXIS Axis powers. Next. What is the immediate reason of the Second World War? What is the reason of Second World War? Write down what is the reason of Second World War. Second World War. Write down. The immediate reason of Second World War was right. The immediate reason of Second World War was by entering the tanks of Germany under the leadership of Hitler. 1939 September 1st. 1939 September 1st. 1939 September 1st. September 1st. The main reason of right don't have the main reason of don't have videos going on. Don't have the main reason of don't have slowly the main reason of the Second World War is main reasons for Second World War. Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Treaty. Hold the book. Treaty of Versailles. The treaty or compact and Odambudika. Germany had to war wages and second point it had to decrease. It has to decrease its military personnel and warships. Next one is under. It had to left off the terrain of Alaska and Canada. Occupied by Germany.